If you want to add audio, you can go to this plus audio section in the advanced tab. You can either browse, upload, or record. Browse is just browsing your own generations or other songs from other people if you want to remix other people's songs. And if you click upload, you can upload your own music. So like if you've recorded a song or a demo or something like that, or you can even just record straight into Suno. And if you don't want to do all of that, you can actually take one of your generations and you can click and drag it and drop it over here, and then it gives you a lot of things you can do with it, as you can see. And they're constantly adding things that you can do. There's a lot. That's why we're keeping this one on basic. One thing that I have used this for is to record like a melody idea and try to get like a full song out of that. So I'm just gonna record and just do something. Beep 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 beep. And then it asks you to identify the audio content. I don't think this is really necessary, but yeah, we'll just say that this is a voice, and then we can hit continue. And then Suno will analyze and describe your audio. And it says to edit anything that's off, and that accurate descriptions can help you get the most out of your uploads. I usually just leave this how it is because Suno usually does a good job of figuring out what it is. So we'll just put continue. And once you put your uploaded audio in here, Suno will transcribe the lyrics as well as make a prompt describing what the audio sounds like to Suno. But we're going to get rid of the lyrics because I'm going for something that's instrumental. And let's say that I want this melody we just did. Beep, 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 beep. Let's say we want some 80s funk pop. So I'm not even going to do like a crazy prompt or anything, just do 80s funk pop, keep it instrumental. And now if we go to more options, we have this new slider called audio influence. And basically the higher this is, the more Suno is going to resemble your original melody or recorded audio, but it's also going to lower the quality quite a bit if you go too high with it. So if I have something where I really want Suno to pay attention to it and make sure it copies the melody perfectly, I will go somewhere between 40 and 60. I don't think you usually ever need to go higher than that, except in very special use cases, which we'll go over later in the editing section. For this, I'm just going to leave it at 30. I think that'll do fine. And yeah, I think this is good. We can just create it. So this is what we recorded. Beep, 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 beep. And this is what Suno created from that. We can even change this to cinematic orchestra. And this is just like a cool way to hear your melody in different types of genres or song types. That's the absolute basics of uploading audio. This video is sponsored by the 10,000 Suno Prompts ebook written by ChillPanic. It comes with 200 genres, 50 prompts per genre, and a descriptor page for every genre.